What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can safely buy Trump coin on Phantom Wallet. Also, before I get started, I am not a financial advisor and nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice. I'm just showing you how you can purchase this coin on a safe way, officially, through official ways. You decide what you're going to do with your own money. And now let's get started. So first off, once you open up your Phantom Wallet, you would need to go to the search bar right here. Now in the search bar, just type in Trump, that's the official coin ticker, and then we will select the first option. Now to verify if this coin is legitimate, you can scroll down and you can see the market cap is 50 billion. So at the moment the market cap of the Trump coin is about 51 billion. And you can also see the total supply of 1 billion and the volume right here. So these are all the important things that you need to look for to verify the legitimacy of this coin. Now you can see that the volume traded is about 7.5 billion, so that means that this coin is legitimate. And now to purchase Trump coin, you would just need to click on the swap option right here. Then select the currency, then select the cryptocurrency that you would like to exchange for the Trump coin. So I will just leave it on Solana. And here you will just input the amount of Solana or the crypto that you selected that you would like to exchange for Trump coin. Let's say about 25% of my Solana holdings. And then once you input the amount, you will just need to click swap now right here. Then the Phantom Wallet will start to swap your Solana for the Trump coin. And there we go. Now we will just click close and go to our home tab to see if the swap was successful. And there we go. Now you should see the Trump coin in your wallet right here. So that's guys how you can purchase Trump coin in Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.